You are viewing the Ocimum tenuiflorum plant, also known as Ocimum sanctum, holy basil, and in our local language as tulsi. This plant is cultivated for religious and medicinal purposes, and for its essential oil. It is widely known as a medicinal plant and an herbal tea, and has an important role in Hinduism, in which devotees perform worship involving holy basil plants or leaves. This plant has been used for thousands of years in Ayurveda for its diverse healing properties. Essential oil extracted from this plant leaves is mostly used for medicinal purposes, and is widely used in skin preparations, and for healing fever, colds, cough, infections, skin diseases, etc.
Patricia,
I am busy.
oh, you are busy?
Yes.
Kanuga, tasty? Spicy? How does it taste? Patricia, good?